산티아고는 큰 물고기를 꿈꿉니다.
Santiago dreams of big fish. Santiago dreams of big fish. Santiago dreams of big fish.
그는 걸프만에서 혼자 낚시를 하고 있다.
He fishes alone in the Gulf. He fishes alone in the Gulf. He fishes alone in the Gulf.
노인은 결심했다.
The old man is determined. The old man is determined. The old man is determined.
그는 거대한 청새치를 낚습니다.
He hooks a giant marlin. He hooks a giant marlin. He hooks a giant marlin.
치열한 전투가 이어집니다.
A fierce battle ensues. A fierce battle ensues. A fierce battle ensues.
물고기가 편줄을 당깁니다.
The fish pulls the skiff. The fish pulls the skiff. The fish pulls the skiff.
산티아고는 힘차게 싸운다.
Santiago fights with strength. Santiago fights with strength. Santiago fights with strength.
그의 손이 고통스럽게 경련을 일으킨다.
His hands cramp painfully. His hands cramp painfully. His hands cramp painfully.
노인은 용감하게 저항합니다.
The old man persists bravely. The old man persists bravely. The old man persists bravely.
상어가 청새치를 공격합니다.
Sharks attack the marlin. Sharks attack the marlin. Sharks attack the marlin.
산티아고는 자신의 캐치를 방어합니다.
Santiago defends his catch. Santiago defends his catch. Santiago defends his catch.
그는 모든 무기를 사용합니다.
He uses all his weapons. He uses all his weapons. He uses all his weapons.
바다가 붉게 변합니다.
The sea turns red. The sea turns red. The sea turns red.
산티아고는 청새치를 잃었습니다.
Santiago loses the marlin. Santiago loses the marlin. Santiago loses the marlin.
그는 깊은 실망감을 느낀다.
He feels deep disappointment. He feels deep disappointment. He feels deep disappointment.
그러나 그는 여전히 회복력을 유지하고 있습니다.
Yet, he remains resilient. Yet, he remains resilient. Yet, he remains resilient.
산티아고는 인생을 되돌아본다.
Santiago reflects on life. Santiago reflects on life. Santiago reflects on life.
그는 깊은 고독에 직면합니다.
He faces profound solitude. He faces profound solitude. He faces profound solitude.
노인은 여전히 금욕적이다.
The old man remains stoic. The old man remains stoic. The old man remains stoic.
그의 정신은 깨지지 않습니다.
His spirit stays unbroken. His spirit stays unbroken. His spirit stays unbroken.
투쟁은 상징적이다.
The struggle is symbolic. The struggle is symbolic. The struggle is symbolic.
자연은 산티아고의 의지를 시험합니다.
Nature tests Santiago's will. Nature tests Santiago's will. Nature tests Santiago's will.
노인은 시련을 견뎌냅니다.
The old man endures trials. The old man endures trials. The old man endures trials.
그는 고통 속에서 위안을 찾습니다.
He finds solace in pain. He finds solace in pain. He finds solace in pain.
산티아고의 회복력이 빛난다.
Santiago's resilience shines. Santiago's resilience shines. Santiago's resilience shines.
그는 인내의 상징입니다.
He's a symbol of endurance. He's a symbol of endurance. He's a symbol of endurance.
바다는 친구이기도 하고 적이기도 하다.
The sea is both friend, foe. The sea is both friend, foe. The sea is both friend, foe.
산티아고는 자연을 존중합니다.
Santiago respects nature. Santiago respects nature. Santiago respects nature.
청새치는 고귀한 적입니다.
The marlin is a noble foe. The marlin is a noble foe. The marlin is a noble foe.
산티아고는 물고기를 존경합니다.
Santiago admires the fish. Santiago admires the fish. Santiago admires the fish.
헤밍웨이는 용기를 표현합니다.
Hemingway portrays courage. Hemingway portrays courage. Hemingway portrays courage.
산티아고의 이야기는 공감합니다.
Santiago's tale resonates. Santiago's tale resonates. Santiago's tale resonates.
그의 여행은 많은 사람들에게 영감을 줍니다.
His journey inspires many. His journey inspires many. His journey inspires many.
바다는 삶의 도전을 반영합니다.
The sea mirrors life's challenges. The sea mirrors life's challenges. The sea mirrors life's challenges.
산티아고는 인내를 가르칩니다.
Santiago teaches perseverance. Santiago teaches perseverance. Santiago teaches perseverance.
그의 이야기는 독자를 사로잡는다.
His story captivates readers. His story captivates readers. His story captivates readers.
노인은 진정한 영웅이다.
The old man is a true hero. The old man is a true hero. The old man is a true hero.
산티아고의 투쟁은 보편적이다.
Santiago's struggle is universal. Santiago's struggle is universal. Santiago's struggle is universal.
독자들은 깊이 연결됩니다.
Readers connect deeply. Readers connect deeply. Readers connect deeply.
헤밍웨이의 산문은 시대를 초월합니다.
Hemingway's prose is timeless. Hemingway's prose is timeless. Hemingway's prose is timeless.
산티아고의 성격은 심오합니다.
Santiago's character is profound. Santiago's character is profound. Santiago's character is profound.
바다는 은유입니다.
The sea is a metaphor. The sea is a metaphor. The sea is a metaphor.
이는 삶의 광대함을 나타냅니다.
It represents life's vastness. It represents life's vastness. It represents life's vastness.
산티아고의 편주는 겸손하다.
Santiago's skiff is humble. Santiago's skiff is humble. Santiago's skiff is humble.
그럼에도 불구하고 그것은 광활한 바다를 용감하게 헤쳐나갑니다.
Yet, it braves the vast ocean. Yet, it braves the vast ocean. Yet, it braves the vast ocean.
매일매일이 새로운 도전입니다.
Each day is a new challenge. Each day is a new challenge. Each day is a new challenge.
산티아고는 그들과 대담하게 맞서고 있다.
Santiago faces them boldly. Santiago faces them boldly. Santiago faces them boldly.
청새치는 그의 에베레스트입니다.
The marlin is his Everest. The marlin is his Everest. The marlin is his Everest.
싸움도 내부적이다.
The battle is internal, too. The battle is internal, too. The battle is internal, too.
산티아고는 두려움을 극복합니다.
Santiago conquers his fears. Santiago conquers his fears. Santiago conquers his fears.
그는 자기 발견을 얻습니다.
He gains self-discovery. He gains self-discovery. He gains self-discovery.
바다는 훌륭한 선생님이다.
The sea is a great teacher. The sea is a great teacher. The sea is a great teacher.
산티아고는 인생의 교훈을 배운다.
Santiago learns life's lessons. Santiago learns life's lessons. Santiago learns life's lessons.
노인은 운명을 받아들인다.
The old man embraces fate. The old man embraces fate. The old man embraces fate.
그의 결심은 흔들림이 없다.
His determination is unwavering. His determination is unwavering. His determination is unwavering.
산티아고의 이야기는 깊은 울림을 줍니다.
Santiago's story resonates deeply. Santiago's story resonates deeply. Santiago's story resonates deeply.
그것은 시간과 문화를 초월합니다.
It transcends time and culture. It transcends time and culture. It transcends time and culture.
청새치는 산티아고의 운명이다.
The marlin is Santiago's destiny. The marlin is Santiago's destiny. The marlin is Santiago's destiny.
그는 그것을 은혜로 받아들인다.
He accepts it with grace. He accepts it with grace. He accepts it with grace.
산티아고의 여정은 상징적입니다.
Santiago's journey is symbolic. Santiago's journey is symbolic. Santiago's journey is symbolic.
그것은 인간의 존재를 반영합니다.
It mirrors human existence. It mirrors human existence. It mirrors human existence.
바다는 영원을 상징합니다.
The sea symbolizes eternity. The sea symbolizes eternity. The sea symbolizes eternity.
산티아고는 대담하게 이에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces it boldly. Santiago faces it boldly. Santiago faces it boldly.
그는 인생의 도전에 직면합니다.
He confronts life's challenges. He confronts life's challenges. He confronts life's challenges.
노인은 여전히 꼼짝하지 않고 있습니다.
The old man remains undaunted. The old man remains undaunted. The old man remains undaunted.
산티아고의 투쟁은 영웅적이다.
Santiago's struggle is heroic. Santiago's struggle is heroic. Santiago's struggle is heroic.
청새치는 그의 고귀한 적입니다.
The marlin is his noble adversary. The marlin is his noble adversary. The marlin is his noble adversary.
상어는 그의 결심을 시험합니다.
Sharks test his resolve. Sharks test his resolve. Sharks test his resolve.
산티아고의 정신이 승리합니다.
Santiago's spirit prevails. Santiago's spirit prevails. Santiago's spirit prevails.
그의 이야기는 증거입니다.
His story is a testament. His story is a testament. His story is a testament.
바다는 아름답고 가혹합니다.
The sea is both beautiful, harsh. The sea is both beautiful, harsh. The sea is both beautiful, harsh.
산티아고는 그 힘을 존중합니다.
Santiago respects its power. Santiago respects its power. Santiago respects its power.
청새치는 상입니다.
The marlin is a prize. The marlin is a prize. The marlin is a prize.
산티아고는 전투를 소중히 여깁니다.
Santiago cherishes the battle. Santiago cherishes the battle. Santiago cherishes the battle.
노인은 전설이 된다.
The old man becomes legendary. The old man becomes legendary. The old man becomes legendary.
산티아고의 인내력은 고무적입니다.
Santiago's endurance inspires. Santiago's endurance inspires. Santiago's endurance inspires.
바다는 그의 성격을 형성합니다.
The sea shapes his character. The sea shapes his character. The sea shapes his character.
산티아고의 마음은 불굴입니다.
Santiago's heart is indomitable. Santiago's heart is indomitable. Santiago's heart is indomitable.
청새치는 그와 동등합니다.
The marlin is his equal. The marlin is his equal. The marlin is his equal.
산티아고의 여정은 심오합니다.
Santiago's journey is profound. Santiago's journey is profound. Santiago's journey is profound.
그것은 인간의 정신을 탐구합니다.
It delves into the human spirit. It delves into the human spirit. It delves into the human spirit.
바다는 거대한 캔버스이다.
The sea is a vast canvas. The sea is a vast canvas. The sea is a vast canvas.
산티아고의 작은 배는 용감하게 항해합니다.
Santiago's skiff sails bravely. Santiago's skiff sails bravely. Santiago's skiff sails bravely.
각 파도는 도전입니다.
Each wave is a challenge. Each wave is a challenge. Each wave is a challenge.
청새치는 고귀한 적입니다.
The marlin is a noble adversary. The marlin is a noble adversary. The marlin is a noble adversary.
산티아고의 손에서 피가 난다.
Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed.
그래도 그는 쉬지 않고 싸운다.
Yet, he fights relentlessly. Yet, he fights relentlessly. Yet, he fights relentlessly.
바다는 길들여지지 않은 세계이다.
The sea is a world untamed. The sea is a world untamed. The sea is a world untamed.
산티아고는 그 깊이를 탐색합니다.
Santiago navigates its depths. Santiago navigates its depths. Santiago navigates its depths.
청새치는 그의 운명입니다.
The marlin is his destiny. The marlin is his destiny. The marlin is his destiny.
산티아고는 도전을 받아들입니다.
Santiago accepts the challenge. Santiago accepts the challenge. Santiago accepts the challenge.
노인은 용감하게 싸운다.
The old man battles bravely. The old man battles bravely. The old man battles bravely.
산티아고는 심연에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces the abyss. Santiago faces the abyss. Santiago faces the abyss.
바다는 그의 용기를 시험합니다.
The sea tests his mettle. The sea tests his mettle. The sea tests his mettle.
청새치는 상징입니다.
The marlin is a symbol. The marlin is a symbol. The marlin is a symbol.
산티아고의 투쟁은 서사시적이다.
Santiago's struggle is epic. Santiago's struggle is epic. Santiago's struggle is epic.
헤밍웨이의 산문은 강력하다.
Hemingway's prose is powerful. Hemingway's prose is powerful. Hemingway's prose is powerful.
산티아고의 전설은 시대를 초월합니다.
Santiago's saga is timeless. Santiago's saga is timeless. Santiago's saga is timeless.
바다는 지혜를 속삭인다.
The sea whispers wisdom. The sea whispers wisdom. The sea whispers wisdom.
산티아고는 전설이 됩니다.
Santiago becomes a legend. Santiago becomes a legend. Santiago becomes a legend.